Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and my love of food for March finally came. Yay!
And we're in the same outfits as you'll see us in the videos. Same outfit.
But let's see what's in there. I feel like it just gets stuck. It's so tightly packed. There's a card on top too, but I want to just kind of lay it out flat so you guys can see what it looks like. If you're able to see that, I'm always. Maybe you can't see it, but hopefully you do. It says, oh, that's funny. Look ahead because we sprung forward. Longer days means more time to play. Take the chance to get outdoors and stay fueled with delicious, healthier snacks. Earn free snacks, share your experience, and yada, yada, yada. So that's what that says. And then the look ahead. I always look like I'm shaking. I'm like, not strong arms anymore. But let's see what we got. I want to see how many coconut they give me, because you all know how I feel about coconut, and if I get any duplicates. So we will see. So I have the Simply Wholesome by Appleways Blueberry Lemon Crispy Bites. Those look good. But they're just like grains and some sugar, so it's not healthy really, but it looks good.
Better than coconut.
This is Emily's Daily Nuts and Fruit. Ooh, I could bring this when we are doing our volunteering at the Renaissance Fair as a snack. So, yay, I like that. And then, those. Otra. So yeah, there's another one. So that's duplicate. Some things I don't mind if they're duplicate, if I'm going to like them, read them. This is Bush's Best Crisp Roasted Chickpeas, cracked pepper. I like chickpeas. I just don't know if I'd want the like cracked pepper, but I can eat some spicy. I just have to limit like how much I eat. This is super fat cacao, right? Coconut, almond, and macadamia nut butter for super fuel to support metabolism and healthy brain functions. If this is like a butter, because sometimes they'll give you a butter you can cook with. If it's one I can cook with and just use it for that purpose alone, I will use it because I do that. This is something I'm excited to see. It's natural cut old Wisconsin beef snack stick. I love beef jerky. I was gonna say jerky. Who doesn't like beef jerky unless you're a vegetarian or vegan, which is cool. I like meat, so
yeah, this you're just supposed to squeeze in your mouth, I think.
I don't know if I could do that if it's straight butter.
This is like a tasty midday meal, so you would just eat it.
Depending on if it was like peanut butter or something, I guess. Then I'll do that. But if it's like a butter,
it's macadamia nuts and almonds.
Oh, okay. Then that's cool. I'll put it on crackers or something. This is Sanissimo oven baked Sumus oven baked corn crackers. Crackers. Cool. Who doesn't like crackers? Crackers. And then this is ZZ's Cocoa Cherry Soft Baked Bar. Right there, I'm not really a big fan of cherries, so my daughter will probably eat that or somebody else, because not me. Oh gosh, and then they give me, my nephew will want this, Ocean's Halo Wasabi Seaweed Snack. I just haven't tried, I don't know if I've tried it ever in any of our boxes, but that's what freaked me out about some other boxes we got. I was like, no, thank you. Don't want that. Okay, this is Creme de Praline cream-filled wafers. I like wafers, but again with sugar, sometimes if I'm not in the mood for it, they go to my daughter, but I might eat one of those, or I could share them with her. This is Instrum's Toffee and Confectionery, 2 pieces of almond toffee milk chocolate. See, that sounds good. If you want a candy, like, why not go with toffee? And so there's that. I'm happy to see this. I just bought a big bag of Pop Chips the other day. It's Pop Chips Ridges Buffalo Ranch. So again, kind of like spicy, but I love like Pop Chips.
Have you had those ones before? No.
I don't know if I've had the Buffalo Ranch, but it sounds good. And then Pirate's Booty, aged white cheddar. You can get this at the store. I bought it before, but I think it's not like popcorn. It's more like, makes me think of cheese puffs kind of thing, if I'm correct. And then, the mini cookie stash. I've gotten this before. Cookie butter cookies, the original Belgian speculoos by the Belgian boys. So cookies you can put in front of your face and wear like a little mustache. And I'm almost running out of stuff here. Let's do this one. Ooh, another jerky. It's original flavor, grass-fed beef stick. Whereas maybe the other ones weren't grass-fed. I don't know. That's a big stick. Because the other ones are small. But I'm like, I will use all of them. And then the last thing I have is Mr. Nature, a handful of healthy unsalted trail mix, which is similar to the other one. I don't think it was called that. So it's like a couple trail mix. But I will use them, as I said, as a snack. And other than that, I just have a couple cards, if I can grab them. There's Feel Good Fat, 5 great flavors. I think it's a coupon. Save 10% order at superfat.com/LWF for like probably that discount if you did want just a super fast snack. Super fast. There's that. And then this is just the Grove Healthy Home Essentials delivered. I've actually used this before. It's a good company in the way that, like, if you buy something, they normally give you something, like, free, which is pretty awesome, but then they get you kind of, like, on a repeating, like, subscription, whether or not you want to be on one, and they'll be like, oh, we put this in your cart, and you're like, oh, I didn't know I was buying anything, so I had to, like, subscribe from it or whatever. And I think they still are sending me emails. I'm like, no, thank you. No more of that, even though it is awesome Mrs. Meyer's products and stuff. But that was it for this video. Let us know what you think of this box. It's around $20 a month, and it comes with all these goodies. Some are duplicates. At least there's no coconut. Yay, lovely food. No coconut. I'll praise that. But don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaway. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.